Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on SafeSearch in Google. So you can turn on Google SafeSearch in just a few steps. So open Google app. Now click your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, click the settings icon in the top right. Next, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Then select SafeSearch. So SafeSearch helps you manage explicit content in your search results like sexual activity and graphic violence. So choose one of these options. You can choose filter. So this filters explicit images, text, and links, most restrictive. If you choose blur, so this blurs explicit images but may still show explicit text and links. And we have off, so it shows all relevant results, including explicit content. So your settings is saved automatically if you're signed in. So to turn this on, just select filter and that's it. So if you can't change the setting and you see a lock icon, Safe Search may be managed by a parent, your school, your workplace, or your network administrator. So again, open Google app, then click your profile in the bottom right corner, then click settings icon in the top right, then scroll down and go to privacy and security, then select Safe Search. Then just select filter to enable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.